So I picked up a lot of stuff from the Butcher's Block. This is from their Deli. It's Wagyu melt sandwich with some kind of side. I don't even know what kind of side this is, but it says beer mac, I guess. Beer mac and cheese. I am so hungry. My hands are shaking. So I'll take a little, try that. Yeah, it's like beer mac and cheese. It's really good. It's really good. Ooh, a little spicy. Here's the sandwich though. The star, the Wagyu beef melt sandwich. It's got some kind of sauce. And all right, so here we go. I'm gonna eat in the car a little bit because I'm starving. Holy moly, look at this sandwich. Look at that. Look at this sandwich. This is crazy. Take some meat. Ah, it's delicious. So good. This sandwich is amazing. Yeah, yeah. So good. I'm starving. Can't wait to go home. I gotta eat it here in the car. Mmm. It's shaved Wagyu beef with cheese. Their sauce. It's really, really good. Wow. I really like it. I'm liking this, man. I didn't think I was gonna like it this much. It's expensive, but it's good. Mmm. So good. This is beer mac and cheese. It's good. I like it. Just a touch of spice. Really good. Woo. Give you another look at this sandwich. Hold on, let me clean up the back. Oh yeah. There it is. Look how good that is. That looks really good. Look at that. That, my friends, looks good. I'm gonna go finish the sandwich. I'm starving. Thank you guys for tuning in. Butcher's Block Deli. Get the sandwich. Fresh, hot off the grill. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.